Egg on the face report? Just a little bit. Pearl got some new decals. Hey, welcome back, y'all. It is Saturday. You know what that means? It's race day. Way to pick up the car, heading to Buxton very shortly. Should be a good time, and I think I'm gonna hot lap the car tonight. Still don't have my helmet and suit yet, so you know, don't want to play swamp house with somebody else's suit, do you? I don't. We made our way to the track, got the car unloaded. We just tied down some wires that were hanging out that we had to cut because we were doing some work to it. We're hoping, we pinched the line for the water temp. We're hoping the copper is still intact, but the jacket was pinched, so we're hoping that's still gonna work. Other than that, we're gonna go up and have a quick look at the track, get our spots where we're gonna sit and watch, see what's going on. And by the way, there is a lot of sprint cars here. Gonna be a good time. And Pearl got some new decals. All courtesy of RPM Designs and Dirt Dog Media. Guys, check out Dirt Dog Media on Facebook. He's doing a lot for this sport, and we appreciate what he does a lot. A little bit of color. Well, the cars are still coming in, and a good turnout. Should be a good night. I'm gonna go up here and get a quick look at the track. Not sure exactly where we're gonna sit yet. Maybe over here. Looks pretty good so far. We have ourselves a bit of a problem. We got the temperature cable pinched inside the valve cover yesterday, and they put 2 kinks in it. Now we don't have a water temp, so I did order another one. It won't fit the bezel that we got inside, but we're going to try and get this thing in here, see if we can make it work. Caleb hard at work on his mini mod.
He likes it. It's good for him. Just get a little bit of break.
Okay, sprint car over there. Anyway, Austin just came in. He got a little bit of damage on the right rear. We're gonna check it out. Well, it's been a couple of days, and well, as you can tell, there's no feature. Good reason for that. We ended up running into a fuel issue. The right rear bumper on the car was not damaged at all. Austin smacked the wall in 4, I think it was, between 3 and 4, and all I did was pop the rivets out, and the bumper just bowed out a little bit. No big deal. We just popped it back in, put some new rivets in, and it's good to go. The heat went well. I think we ran 5th or 6th in the heat. Austin went to go line up for the feature, which is on the other side of the track in turn 4, and we're sitting in turn 3. He ended up parking on a slope. I'm not sure if that had anything to do with it or not, but the car died and then wouldn't restart. So Tate went over there and got him with his 4-wheeler and pushed him back. We played with it and played with it and played with it. Finally got it to start. Unsure what the exact problem was. Probably wasn't no gas in it. But, you know, it is what it is. We're new at this, guys. We are new, and we're going to make mistakes, and that's okay. And it is what it is. We laughed about it. Okay, I look at it this way. It could have been a whole lot worse. It could have been an engine problem, could have been an electrical problem, could have been a whole host of things. But it wasn't. It was a fuel problem. And we figured out the fuel problem, and it's not going to happen again. I hope. But I've got Pearl at the house this week. Supposed to have practice on Thursday. Not sure if we're going yet or not. We might. But we gotta get the oil changed in the old girl because she needs an oil change. That's all I got for today's video. If you haven't done so, hey, hit that subscribe button, like button, share button. We're trying to grow the channel and possibly grow the team. We're having a great time. It's a blast. Oh yes, and let me address the hot lapping of the car by myself. I had not been in a race car in probably 40 some years. And I am extremely claustrophobic. I'm about as bad as you can get when it comes to that. Didn't have a problem, really, getting belted in and the Hans device on and whatnot. It was just sitting at the chute waiting to come out. I think I sat there for about 25-30 minutes. Note to self, next time you go, don't go till you have to. You know, we're keeners. We're eager to get out there. When you think that you are hauling the mail and you find out you're not hauling the mail when the 83 goes around you on the outside and you're thinking the old Ricky Bobby, what is that? Where'd he come from? You quickly realize you're not going that fast. Anyway, I had a great time, and that's why we're there. We're there to have fun, there to have a good time, and hopefully not break nothing. But that's going to do it for today's video. I want to thank you all for watching. I want to thank all our sponsors that are supporting the car. With that, we'll see you all in the next one. Later.